Hello everyone! This will be our 8th video where we will talk about the benefits of implementing a multi-agent solution in your organization and how this can optimize key processes. Before we start, do you have any previous experience with automation or artificial intelligence in your company?
Hi. We have worked with some basic automation tools, but nothing as advanced as a multi-agent system. Could you explain what it is and how it differs from simple automation?
Of course. A multi-agent system is composed of several intelligent agents that work together to solve complex tasks. Unlike a traditional automation, where a system follows predefined rules, a multi-agent system has agents that can adapt to changes in the environment, learn, and make decisions in real time. For example, Netflix and Adidas have implemented multi-agent systems to improve customer service through WhatsApp, enabling fast and efficient responses without human intervention.
Sounds interesting, but how would this impact the day-to-day operation of my company?
Excellent question. The key is process optimization and cost reduction. Let's take a look at some of the benefits. Operational efficiency. Multi-agent systems automate repetitive tasks, allowing your team to focus on higher-value activities. One study showed that in the production control industry, multi-agent systems have enabled flexibility without the need for extensive coding. Cost reduction, less human error, and less reliance on redundant labor. E-commerce companies have used multi-agent systems to improve customer service, reducing service costs. Adaptability. Unlike fixed automation, multi-agent systems can adjust to changes in demand and optimize resources in real time. For example, in supply chain management, multi-agent systems help reduce waste and improve efficiency.
Sounds interesting, but what about the initial investment? How can I measure the return on investment, ROI?
A great question. For example, if you invest $10,000 in a multi-agent system for customer service, and this generates additional revenue of $15,000, the net gain would be $5,000, and the ROI would be 50%. Another case is the development of a new product with a multi-agent system, where a $50,000 investment could generate $70,000 in revenue in the first year, with an ROI of 40%. In addition, multi-agent systems offer intangible benefits such as improved customer experience and risk reduction, which also positively impacts the business in the long run.
The calculation is clear to me, but how do you implement a multi-agent system without affecting our current operations?
Implementation must be staggered and well-planned. Here are the keys. Process assessment. We identify tasks that would benefit from automation without affecting workflow. Integration with existing systems. We make sure the multi-agent system connects with your existing infrastructure. Staff training. Your team must understand and take advantage of the system. Testing and tuning. We implement in phases to minimize risk. Companies like Adidas and Netflix have proven that a phased implementation is key to success.
This all sounds very nice. But how long does it take to implement a multi-agent system, and what are the first steps?
Depending on the scope, implementation can take 3 to 6 months. The first step is to perform a detailed analysis of your processes and define key objectives. From there, a tailor-made strategy is designed to start the integration. A demonstration could be arranged to assess its feasibility in your company.
I am interested in exploring this solution further. How can I do it?
You can contact our expert Antonio Fresco Navacerrada via LinkedIn. He will guide you through the process and will be able to clarify any other doubts you may have. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to be more informed about how artificial intelligence can revolutionize PPA energy contracts.